Hello, my name is Bastian Krueckeberg and I'm here with HP and AMD. I'd like to show some of the new development that we did for SOLIDWORKS Visualize. I'm the development manager for SOLIDWORKS Visualize in the SOLIDWORKS R&D organization. And with the 2026 release, we finally have native support for vendor agnostic GPU hardware, in this particular case AMD. So we've been able to achieve that with our new Vulkan-based fast render mode. And yeah, it essentially achieves real-time ray tracing performance here, completely noise-free. Super accurate results here in interactive frame rates running on this small laptop. And yeah, it's all based on modern ray tracing technologies using the AMD FSR library with AI-based upscaling, AI-based denoising, intra-frame protection, and yeah, a lot of advanced technology like that. So very happy to finally be able to support AMD natively in SOLIDWORKS Visualize. And this is all running on this slim notebook here with integrated graphics on the new AMD APU platform. And yeah, I'm really happy with the performance that I'm seeing.